Hey guys, Jomak here and welcome back sa channel natin. And for this episode, let's talk about yung Gundam na 3080 non-LHR. Okay, so I'm very excited to review this card. And this card has been with me for a few weeks now. And gusto ko lang i-share kung ano yung mga hash rate na nakukuha ko, ano yung temps, ganyan. Tapos may dumaan na motor. So pasensya na ulit guys, nasa may highway tayo ngayon. Yung pwesto ng shop natin nasa may highway. And speaking of shop, okay, so we're open throughout the holidays. Medyo nag-bottleneck lang tayo nung pa-New Year, okay? Because we're trying to push or finish as many rigs as we can, guys. Maraming salamat. I think December has been, if not one of the top months of the year namin sa daming bugso ng clients. Maraming salamat talaga sa pagtitiwala. And syempre yung success naman na to dahil na rin sa inyo, sa mga sumusuporta sa shop natin, especially sa Shopee store natin, nakakabukas pa lang. Eventually guys, watch out, napakarami nating ilalagay ng mga items dyan. For sure, not only for mining, for keyboards, for gamings, for headsets. So make sure to follow, okay? Click lang yung links sa description. And of course, sa pin comments, kung ayaw mo naman sa Shopee, pwede rin naman magpa-LBC or Lala Move. Just message us through Facebook to get your quotation. For if you want, for us, okay? For my team to build your rig for you, or DIY parts man yan, or kung gusto mo lang bumili ng GPU, magdadagdag ka lang ng cards for your mining rig. Okay, so with that aside, balik tayo dito sa usapan. Napakagandang card guys. 3080 non-LHR na Gundam. And gusto ko lang ibahagi kung ano yung more or less makukuha nyo dito, gano'ng kabilis yung ROI, ano yung gusto ko sa card. First impressions lang guys. Again, hindi ako pro-mill gifted child. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung napapansin ko sa card na to. First impressions lang. So anyway, balik muna tayo dito sa mining rig natin. So more or less yun yung size niya, okay? Comparing it with other cards. Kasi pwede ko naman ilagay lahat ng dimensions dyan. Pero mas madali kung makikita nyo nakatabi siya sa ibang card. So yung Gundam na 3080 natin is basically a ROG STRIX, okay? Etong black na to is yung ROG STRIX natin na regular. Ito yung Gundam version, of course, white siya. So makikita nyo, parehas lang siya guys. Okay? And ito yung MSI Gaming Z or Gaming X Trio natin na 3090. So more or less ganyan siya laki guys, okay? Kung gusto mo siya i-compare sa size ng 3070, ayan, Ventus yun guys. So nakikita nyo mga dual fan na yun. So, ganyan ang dual fan, okay? More or less sa rack. Makikita nyo. Tapos, ayan ang Gundam. So, malaki yung Gundam guys. Mahaba siya. Mahabang cards yung ROG STRIX, okay? Speaking of racks, links down below guys. May review din tayo niyan. May review tayo niyan. Okay, so going back dito sa dito sa review natin. I am getting currently around 96 mega hash, okay, for this card. Some people, they get around 97, pero that's fine with me, okay? Ang maganda sa kanya, yung wattage na guys is varies, okay? One card is 217, tapos one card is around 225. So, definitely not bad for a 3080. Kasi alam naman natin guys, di ba yung LHR na 3080, which is also profitable, na ni-review ko rin on my previous video. So, kung curious ka, you can check that one out. Very profitable as well. But that one is getting, I think, around 230 to 240 watts, okay, for around 72, 73, or sometimes even 75 mega hash. So this one is just pulling around 225, okay? Okay, 225 versus 240. Tapos ang hash rate naman nito is around 96, okay, versus yung 72 or 73 for the LHR card. Alright? But anyways, going back, so ang impression ko dito sa card na to is number one, Asus talaga, napakagandang brand na to. Before parang I was really puzzled bakit sobrang brand loyalty, hindi lang sa Asus, parang akala ko ano yan, parang hype lang yan, mga ano na yan, mga Gundam na yan. But mali ako guys, kasi ever since na ko-compare ko yung build quality, okay? Kasi alam ko naman, mas malang konti yung mga Asus cards natin. Nung na-compare ko yung build quality guys, definitely yung 3080 ng Asus, napakabigat, okay? Tapos may pinapakita pa sila dito na yung ginamit sa mga wait lang. I think this is more of yung power faces nila. Kalimutan ko anong tawag dito eh. Basta alam ko ni-review to before no, nagtitingin-tingin ako ng mga reviews, okay? Etong MOSFET sa tatawag dito. Basta yan, yung ginamit nila yan, na ganyan, guys. Yan yung apparently mamahalin, okay? So yung sa MSI kasi, kung makikita nyo dito, parang may black, di ba? Tapos isa lang yung parang pinaka-gold niya. So sa Asus, lahat. So ganun siya, guys. Tapos napakabigat niya. Yung build quality niya, mararamdaman mo talaga kung pagka kinumpara mo sa ibang cards. Yung box din na to, of course, ganda rin ang presentation. Hindi ko na bubuksan guys kasi hindi naman to unboxing. Pero ang daming mga pakislap, kumbaga. Maraming mga included dito. Tapos may matitigas pa na parang dinidikit yata sa gilid ng PC sa tempered glass. So by the way, this one guys is a NZXT. Okay? H710 yata to or H700i. So I'm thinking kung i-vlog ko to guys, yung paggawa ng mga PC, okay? Kasi parang I don't know, parang I don't know kung merong manunood ng mga vlog na gano'n, yung parang may nakuha tayong PC, tapos ganito yung itsura niya, tapos parang nagsiset up ng kotse, parang gano'n. So for example, ito, I got this one from a friend, okay? Tapos kompleto, may graphics card, pero syempre hindi na yun yung graphics card niya, pinalitan ko na. Tapos naka-liquid cooling, gusto ko i-shift. Okay? Ang build kasi na to, may white na liquid cooling, halo-halo, tapos gold yung case, tapos may black. Parang gusto ko RGB delete. Parang lahat ng gusto kong pyesa, parang gusto kong gawing itim. So, I don't know, maybe I will do that, tapos maybe turn it into a Hackintosh as well. Okay? Kasi this one is sporting the 10700F na napakagandang CPU din. And probably I will use yung 6800 XT dito. Not that sure, but yeah, ganun. I-hackintosh ko siya na 6800 XT. And I will also show kung ano yung mining stats siguro nung 6800 XT. So parang hopefully guys, kasi gusto ko rin mag-vlog talaga para pakita sa inyo, not just the side na pagre-review paturo-turo ng aking mga kamay or shop natin, but gusto ko rin pakita yung parang day-to-day na pinagkakaabalahan natin. Kasi I don't know, I find computers very exciting. Not just mining in general, okay? Medyo may nerd part tayo na gustong gawin yun. But yeah, watch out for that type of content guys, very soon. So balik tayo dito, magandang ginamit na I think this is power phases. Kasi before yung isang configuration, katulad doon sa MSI natin, ano yun, nagkakaroon ng problema pag nagsa-spike yung power consumption. Parang nagkakaroon ng over voltage protection yung GPU, bigla namamatay. So yun, I think Nvidia addressed that one by pushing a update, okay, doon sa BIOS yata nila. Yeah, I think BIOS update doon sa cards nila. But anyways, going back, yun yung construction niya, maganda. Tapos triple fan na rin, of course. Syempre dahan-dahan tayo kasi medyo mahal. Okay, tapos ayan siya. Medyo madumi lang yung card guys kasi malapit tayo sa highway. So I've been running this for a few weeks now. Ito yung fan niya. Gusto ko sa ganitong design ng fan guys, hindi baliin. Okay, hindi katulad yun sa MSI na wala doon sa gilid ng bilog. Okay, sa colorful actually wala rin ganun. Yung parang, ito yung pabilog dito sa fan kasi mas matibay pagka ganyan. Tapos yung sa colorful naman, although hindi katulad siya ng MSI na wala yung gilid. Okay, sa MSI kasi maninipis yung yung fan blades. Sa colorful medyo makapal kaya medyo hindi siya ganong kadaling mabali, okay? Isa pang gusto kong design ng fan, okay? Speaking of fans, usually matte yung finish. So for example, this one matte na tapos white pa. Kaya medyo medyo dumihin yung card. So eto nga plano ko, lagyan ko pa ng denatured alcohol. Linisin ko kaya lang medyo walang time, medyo busy tayo ngayon. Pero yung Galax, gusto ko yung design ng fan kasi makintab, okay? Yung finish ng mga fan nila. Saka yung mga parts ng GPU nila, napakadaling linisin guys, di mo kailangan alcohol, talagang kuskusin mo lang. Linis na linis. For this one, kailangan pa talaga ng TLC. Dalawa naman natin, di ba, sa pagmimina, medyo busy tayo pag ganyan. So I just recommend na ang gawin mo na lang instead is, bili ka ng yung leaf blower, tapos buga-bugahan mo na lang pagka I think every month or every 2 months, ganyan, pwede naman gawin yun. Okay? So, enough of that. Okay? Napakita ko naman sa inyo, triple slot card, of course, yung cooler, malaki. Kasi parang essentially ROG din to guys. ROG STRIX. And speaking of ROG STRIX, i-review din natin yan sa next na videos natin. Okay? Tapos ito close up ko na lang para makita nyo. Okay? Some Gundam colors there. Okay? Parang Gundam keyboard, no? Tapos ito. I don't know kung may Gundam case. Okay? Yung Gundam keycaps pala, sorry. Gundam case ng PC para talaga sa mga mahilig sa mobile suit na Gundam edition yan. I think this card is for you. Especially kung minero ka. Hindi ko alam kung para sa inyo mga ibang design dyan guys. I won't pretend na nafa-follow ko yung Gundam. So, hindi talaga. Sa likod naman ng card, tingnan natin. Okay, so ganyan na siya. Mobile Suit Gundam. Kaparehas ng Strix. So, kung meron ka Strix, more or less, puting version lang na. Okay? So, computein naman natin yung Jomac. Okay, ito yung box. So, Jomac, computein na natin. Sa 96 megahash. Okay, so, yun palang problema, no? Bago kasi location natin guys kaya medyo tagilid ko na lang, sana nakikita nyo. Okay, 0.96, okay, times 0.96 kasi 100 megahash is roughly around $6.5 per day. Okay, so 96 megahash to divided by 100 lang natin times $6.5 per day. So yan yung more or less na kita nyo per day using this card. Now that's dollars, convert natin sa peso, 318 times 30 days. So yan yung buwan ng kita mo. So tandaan guys 9.5 more or less. Okay, so 9.5 yung kita per month. Kuryente mo is 2 to 5 times 24 hours times 30 days divided by 1,000. Kasi gagawin natin kilowatt. So, 2 to 5 kasi 2 to 5 watts. Sorry, hindi ko natutok. 2 to 5 kasi 2 to 5 watts times 24 hours nagmimina times 30 days in 1 month. 162, gawin natin kilowatt. So, divided by 1,000 times, ayan, 162 yung makukuha natin. Yan ang ita-times natin ngayon sa rate ng kuryente mo. So, depende kung tagasan ka. Sa Manila, it's 10.5. Sa Baguio, I think it's around 7. So, down south, maybe different as well. You can check this one sa bill ng power utility provider mo. Okay? So, 1.7 daw yung kuryente. Okay? So, magkano ba yung kita natin sa isang buwan? Diba? 9,545. Okay, so minus 1.7. So, 9,545 minus 1.7. So, more or less, ito yung kitaan niya per month. So, around 7,850 or 7,800 na lang natin. Okay? 7,800 kada buwan. 7,800 neto na yan. So, labas na yung kuryente. Oh, okay. So, ganito, more or less, guys, ito yung kita natin right now. Okay? Assuming na hindi gagalaw ang price ng Ethereum, which it will. Okay? Assuming na same yung blockchain reward, same yung difficulty ng mining, okay? Which it won't, okay? So, definitely, ito projection lang, okay? So, assuming na walang magbabago sa lahat, ito more or less yung buwan ng kita natin, 7,800. Halimbawa na nakuha natin ang card sa halagang 90,000. So, assuming na lang, guys, okay? But of course, if you can get it for cheaper, go ahead and do that because this card usually talagang they go for higher pricing eh. Lalo na kung itong edition na to, itong non-LHR na tapos Gundam pa. So 90,000 divided by 7,800. Okay. So this will still ROI in about 11.5 months. Okay. 11 months, 12 months, which is in line din naman do sa ibang cards natin. So which also shows na katulad ng sinabi ko dati, more or less nakapresyo na talaga sa pricing ng market yung ROI ng card. So, kung LHR man yan, non-LHR yan, na-presyo na ng market yan, and nasa iyo na lang talaga kung anong mas gusto mong i-run. Or more than that, I think i-consider mo yung power draw ng mga LHR cards. Kasi of course, kung non-LHR cards yan, mas marami kang malalagay na cards kasi mas power efficient sila, 'di ba? Hindi mag-overheat yung kontador mo, hindi mag-overheat yung mga wire mo, yung mga plug mo, mas marami kang hash rate na makukuha. Okay? But regardless, yan yung ROI niya. And of course, kung below 90 mo naman nakuha tong card na to, which is some of my clients will get this one below 90. And I think by the time na you're viewing this, baka sold out na yung cards. But we don't know. Just message my team sa chat. And tingnan natin kung meron pa. Okay? A few units lang naman for these cards. Anyways, kung makukuha mo naman ng below 90 talaga, mas mababa yung ROI niya. Which is baka mamaya mga 9 months, 10 months lang, ganun. So, depende talaga sa inyo. I'm just saying na more or less, yung presyo niya, LHR man or non-LHR, naka-factor in na doon sa ROI niya yung presyo niya sa kung saan mo man siya bibilin ngayon. Okay, yung market pricing niya. Kumbaga. Kaya lang some people they want non-LHR cards kasi ang point nila mas marami silang malalagay sa bahay nila, especially sa residential sila nagmimina. Ngayon, yung mga LHR cards naman yung tina-target. Ako may side sa akin na nagta-target ng mga LHR cards kasi may part na na parang syempre 'di ba na-unlock yung hash rate na to. So, paganda yung profit na to. Tapos, alam naman natin, pagka nag-proof of stake si Ethereum, we will be mining other coins. And hindi naman lahat ng coins nakalock yung mga LHR series natin. I think some of them nakalock sa Ergo. Pero, I don't know. Hindi ko pa na-explore yung part na yun, guys. And besides, marami namang ibang coins na maganda dyan. I think Raven is also going up soon after ng halving niya. So, yun guys, anyway, salamat sa panonood. Medyo napahaba na naman yung kwentuhan natin sa video na to. But thank you so much again for your support guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa shop namin. If you want for us to build your rig, if you need GPUs for your rig, mag-expand ka, message us. I think we will have 3060 Ti's coming in, okay? And 1660 Super, I don't know kung tapos na yung promo natin. Paubos na yata yung stocks. So, we're selling it last month yata, parang from nasa around mga 30k, naging 27k. But hopefully, we still have stocks of those kung interested ka. Links down below. Shopee store. Follow guys. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga gaming items dyan. And of course, I'm planning soon na maglagay ng mga code sa videos ko na pwedeng ilagay doon sa Shopee bago mag-checkout para maka-discount kayo. So again guys, salamat sa panonood. If you're watching this December 2021, I hope you're having a great time a great year. And use this downtime, guys, na hindi masyadong busy to research the things you want to do. Especially if we want to enter crypto, mining, metaverse man yan, guys. Use your time wisely. Mag-aral, mag-research. And also, if ikaw naman yung tipo ng tao na nagmimina talaga, medyo marami na alam, help out the beginners, guys, sa comment section. So, let's be supportive of each other kasi lahat naman tayo nananalo dito sa crypto. Wala naman tong parang una-unahan and wala naman dito parang VIP. So tulungan na lang, guys. Again, salamat sa panonood. Jomak here. See you sa next videos, guys.